Again, thank you, Amitabh and Parth and the whole team for the amazing impact that you all have had. And it's a real inspiration and privilege to be part of this movement with you and obviously be part of this group. I think it's also come up on the chat that obviously this is a huge challenge because while we have had these 4 to 5x improvement in learning outcomes and we have WASH and smart classrooms, it is primarily in the school itself. And as we now look out over the next 12, 18, 24 months in India, many of these municipal schools are not going to be functioning, or there will be a continuous uncertainty about when they can be in classroom and when they can't. And obviously for them, this idea of doing school from home or remote school or online school, which many of us can benefit from, is not unfortunately able to be done for them. So Parth and Amitabh and I have been just brainstorming a couple of ideas. We really need your input. This is just a draft that we want to have input. And what we were trying to think about here is the simple idea is, how do we take the magic of Yuva home? How do we create an integrative package for children and their families that includes personal health and hygiene, includes some help on food and nutrition, but importantly uses technology to provide learning. And there is some very good experience with this, as we talked about with Vineet Nair and team at HCL, or what the HCL Foundation is doing elsewhere. But we do think that this could be a package we take out to all 500 plus existing schools in collaboration with every one of you as partners. So maybe just to outline this here, and then we should obviously get a lot of ideas and inputs from all of you. What we were thinking about is basically to have kits that get delivered. There is both a health and hygiene kit, a nutrition kit, and to enable capacity building for both teachers and parents as far as sanitation and good hygiene is concerned in their own homes, whether it's in a slum or lower income housing area. In addition, we wanted to do some partnerships to provide health insurance and other covers for the students and their families, as well as give them access to mental health counseling. We started that, obviously, many of you have all participated with Janta Mentorship as a very inspirational thing to have many of you do that. But can we do that at scale across at least these 500 schools? And then the other thing we really wanted to do is to take what is today the Google Smart Classroom, which all of you have seen works very well in a classroom environment. How do we create small modules of that will work on a simple mobile phone or on a simple tablet that we might be able to provide these children? And the idea we had is, can we go together with a combination of WASH and Smart now at their homes, obviously distributed through the schools, distributed with support of the principal and teachers so that there's appropriate governance around it. But create this as a package between nutrition, health, mental counseling access with a laptop or tablet through which we continue to provide education even while they're at home. And we also want to, obviously, in order to do that, tie up with a number of technology companies, media companies, and otherwise to take both the government programs, so the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan program, into a video format, as well as, of course, a number of other online content or bite-sized content that would work. So what we wanted to do in summary is to create this package of both education, health together, deliver it through the partner schools, via the principals, enable these people to live and work at home, even though the uncertain 2 years ahead. And we would then request you all as partners, funding partners, to support this, right? And we can go into what the costing and other things like that could be, but this could be a way to support it. It would also qualify under COVID relief as far as all of the CSR requirements are concerned, and then use this as a way to ensure our impact with these children in the next 2 years. And I'll end with a personal hope here, which is what I've been discussing with Bharat and Amitabh, which is if we can solve this technology and home-based solution, then once we do it here, then our ability to go from the 525 schools to 10,000 schools will dramatically go up if we're able to get this model right. So to me, there's a dual impact. One is immediate in the next year or two as far as COVID for our own schools are concerned. And second, as we perfect this model, it could be a great way to scale up across the country. Let me stop there. And then again, idea was to get as many ideas and comments to improve this from here.